तत्रापि दह्रं गगनं विशोकस्तस्मिन् यदन्तस्तदुपासितव्यं यो वेदादौ परप्रोक्तो वेदान्ते च प्रतिष्ठितः तस्य प्रकृतिलीनस्य परस्य महेश्वरः। हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम् जन्मदिनमिदं जन्मदिनमिदं प्रियसखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं शन्तनोष्यतु पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जया पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जया जीवनं सदा भवतु सार्थकम् जीवनं सदा भवतु सार्थकम्। ऐ प्रियसखे जन्मदिनमिदम् ऐ प्रियसखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम्। ನೋಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಬಾಯ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಓಂ ಹರಿಃ ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ ಹರಿಃ ಓಂ ಜನ್ಮದಿನಮಿದಂ ಐ ಪ್ರಿಯಸಖೇ ಜನ್ಮದಿನಮಿದಂ
Providing like something that can interpret an echocardiogram, extract data from it, and allow a user to talk to it in natural language. Actually, echocardiography is one of the most commonly used methods to scan the heart 3D, and it's an ultrasound-based imaging technique which is used to capture detailed images of the heart. These images can measure key indicators like ejection fraction, end systolic value, and diastolic value stages. So number one, image segmentation and classification. So as I said before, my model applies on like two modalities, an echocardiogram and a text-based modality. So what this basically means is my model has two forms of context. It has your echocardiogram and it has any text you want to put into the information. So that's what a CNN does. It is very good at doing local images, but it struggles the hell out of it to figure out like global images. For example, if I have one thing there, it might figure out, oh, there's something here, but it can't relate both of them together. That's what a vision transformer does. What a vision transformer does, it basically is very good at global context. For example, if you have an image, like just a plain square image, and then you have two dots, one at one corner, one at the other corner, the vision transformer is excellent at figuring out context between these two images. So what I've done is I've combined the local excellency of a CNN model and the global excellency of a vision transformer. I've combined them two into this architecture right here, which merges both of their capacities. Merges both of this, that in training and in testing, that my model has gotten it wrong.
So see, 96.3. What about
you have mentioned that it's very
actually you made it ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಇವನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಈಗ ಸೂಪರ್ವೈಸ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್. He is also working on unsupervised.